Hello សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នាជួបមួយខ្ញុំ Matt Chinvo ហើយថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការមកបង្កើតជាមួយនឹង poster ថ្មីមួយទៀតដែរបាទអានេះគឺអត់មានប្រធានបទទេគឺជា speed advert ដែលខ្ញុំគិតចេញមកភ្លាមខ្ញុំធ្វើភ្លាមអូខេហើយconcept ហ្នឹងគឺដេកគិត2ថ្ងៃឯងអូខេកុំឲ្យខ្ជិះជាពេលវេលាយូរតោះយើង
Stars don't shine when there's only satellites. I feel like hell and you're in paradise. I'm so glad and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell for a demon. Turn up. You made it worse. Light up the match and burn some more. I see the angel in his I'm so glad and yet I'm not. I was too blind to know. I fell harder than I thought when I fell for a demon.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on. coming from. You cared about me, but when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered. Oh Lord, come on, come on. Did you question God, or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah, come on.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender? Why you always in my face? Do you really think it's over? 'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb. And there's nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. If you try to take it away from me, I hope you're out for a fight. 'Cause I've been kicked when I'm so down, too much until it's numb. And there's nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. I'm holding on my life till the very last breath. Got me feeling fucked up, see the floors are red, but now I know that I'm safe in a place called home. Lost but not found. Lost Nobody can steal my fire. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can steal my soul. Nobody can
សូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលតាមដានទស្សនានៅវីដេអូខ្ញុំរហូតដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលាបាយបាយ